here's Gab Gomez. Kick out. Clint. Straight away three. That's good.
And these are the guys to watch out kasi kailangan
Habang nagmamadali pa rin itong Iloilo as they score on the fast break. Or tama lang itong pacing na to?
okay, to start it out sa akin yung first talagang nakikita ko kung hindi makakashoot, ano pa yung pwedeng gawin.
Okay.
And Jason started as a defensive stopper.
Well, he does have...
Ito yung mga magagaling mag-execute eh.
Mark Nonay was just everywhere in that previous sequence. He almost lost the ball.
Yeah, and imagine all of these players right now playing for Iloilo did have played under good college programs. Okay, Ontenko played for the College of St. Benilde. Clit Dolinguez, a champion of the NCAA. Then the three, ito si Mark Nonoy, champion this UAAP. Then Wayne Capacio and Jason Credo.
Both to bring it up.
Oo, talagang pipiliin mo na lang yung madali eh.
Kick out, Dolinguez for three. That's good. And now the Bacolod team is looking gassed. 21-55. Their shooting is a lot better now. Up to 41%. Especially if you compare it to the opening frame, where the struggle was absolutely real.
Sa akin naman, makikita mo naman talaga, Mix, especially dun sa home stretch ng season ng fifth season natin, mataas na yung level na
Them battle it out. Lalo na sa game number 2, mas maganda kanilang naipakita noon. Dolinguez.
yeah, 15 points already in this game.
Welcome back.